everyone, I am back with a new video. This is a Python GUI tutorial and we are going to code a number guessing game using Python 3 and PyQt5. First, let's see the demo that we are going to make today. Let me tell you that you must have Python and PyCharm installed in your device. Thank you.
Game started. Guess number between 1 and 10. Guess higher than this. Guess less than this. Guess less than this. Hooray! Finally you guessed it. Quitting game, goodbye.
Let's get started. First, open your PyCharm and click on new project. Then create a folder with our project name numgame where our program files will be saved. Then choose interpreter and check on inherit global site packages and check also on make available to all projects. Then hit enter or click create. Now minimize the PyCharm and open PyQt5 Designer. Now we will create a GUI first. Click on main window option and click create. Let's resize the main window to a normal rectangle, or you can resize as your choice. Now in widget box, search for label, then click it and drag it to the main window. Then search for line edit, click and drag it to the main window. You can resize both of these. Yeah. Okay. You can double click on text level and you can edit its text. Now select both of it, then copy and paste. Okay, now we will edit the text of level first. We will make it the low range value and we will expand it little. Okay. Now we will again edit the level 2. We will enter it as a high range value. Okay, it's done. Make it align good. Now we will search for push button. Okay, click and drag it. Again you can resize it and double click and add text there. We will make it, we will use it for start game. Okay. Done. Now again copy the label and text box, again paste it. Now we will use it to take input of answer. Check the answer. Okay. Now we will use again a push button. Okay, we will use this push button to check the answer. Check if the text box 3 is equal to our answer or not. Now again search for label in widget box. Now we will use it to give the message of if the enter number is higher or lower than the answer. Hint for the user, and another for counting how many times we have tried. Okay, we will again create two buttons, one for resetting the game and another for quitting the game. Now resize according to your mindset. resize and set the position of its. At our right hand side you can see the property editor. We can change the property of objects from here. Now we will going to change the font of these objects. Now select all of the label in buttons. Okay, now search for font and browse the font. You can add font of your choice. I will add this font. Okay, again resize our label and make match of it so that it will be suitable to see. Okay, now we will change the position of these all objects and make it little bit look good. Nice. Also change the position of this push button, and it will expand this guess the answer label. Then change the position of this check box. Okay, first clear this text of this both of the labels. At right hand side we can also see the name of the labels. Label 1 2 3 4. Sorry, it's not 1, it's only label. I think at upper there is little bit space left, so we will change position to little bit up. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, now we can save it. Save it in the num game folder as main.ui. Go to save this and browse the num game folder. Yeah, and save it as main.ui. Okay. Okay, now you can minimize it and go to PyCharm, and now you can see here. Now click on num game and right click on it and create a new file with index.py name. Now our main code we will write here, the logic of the game and the working of buttons and text box. Now first go to file and then setting and go to interpreter, project interpreter. Project interpreter. Now we will add some library functions. First search for pywin. Pywin and pywin32 both. You can install it. We will use this library. Now search for pyqt5. You can install pyqt5. You can install pyqt5 pipezip tools in designer both. This all. Now search for random. Oops, random is already in Python. You can search for win32. It's pywin32. Okay. Now we are done with installing packages. Then click OK. This was for the part 1, making the UI of the game. Now we will go in our part 2. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like it.